concerning ourselves with parallel data transmission, but it's good to know that it exists. So here we are at the Arduino website, and we can see, first of all, that the Arduino IDE comes with a serial library built in. And a library is just a bunch of similar functions that come in one neat, tidy package. And here we can see the functions inside of the serial library on Arduino's website here. And there's a fair amount of them, but for the most part, you'll only use a few of them most of the time. The ones you'll use are begin, print, and println. These are the ones you might use, but these are going to be your most common ones. Now also, when the Arduino is communicating with the PC, you'll see the TX LED blinking. And this is a good indicator that the board is actually communicating with the PC. Now, let's move on to the IDE and write some code to demonstrate. Okay, so here we are in the Arduino IDE. And as we can see, as soon as we open it, we have our two functions that automatically show up. And I'm going to demonstrate the serial monitor. Now, the first thing we need to do is let the IDE know that we want to use the serial function, and we need to set our baud rate. So I'm going to type serial.begin. And remember, begin was one of the functions. So serial is the name of the library, and then there's a dot, and then begin is the name of the function. And I'm going to put in the number 9600. Now, a baud rate really just means the number of bits per second that the Arduino is going to use to communicate with the PC. There are other baud rates, but for now, we're just going to stick with 9600. Now, we're going to go on over here. That's all we need to do in setup. We're going to come over here, and I'm going to type serial.print. And as you may remember, print is another function within the serial library. And I'm going to type some text, or have it print some text, so I need to use quotes whenever I want to print text. And I'm going to put Circuit Crush rocks. Close quote, parenthesis, and semicolon. So this is a real simple program. I'm going to go ahead and compile it and upload it to the board. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's come over here and take a look at the serial monitor. This is the serial monitor, this little symbol here. And you could also get to it through Tools and then Serial Monitor. But to me, this is just a lot easier, one less click. So let's open up the serial monitor. And here we can see it's printing really, really fast on one line. And I'm going to turn off auto scroll so you can see it. Circuit Crush rocks, over and over again. Now, that's kind of fast. That's kind of hard to read. So let's see if we can make an improvement here. I'm going to go ahead and close the serial monitor. And let's add some more code.